Hello, namaste. First of all, thank you for the giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. Myself, Nena Gahamagar, and I am from Butol. I am 21 years old. I did complete my schooling from Sri Siddheswari Higher Secondary School. My strengths are I am honest, punctual, also quick learner with a good teamwork experience. Um, I am a I am a barista, the person who make a different kind of hot and cold coffee beverage uh, by applying different coffee equipments with a various kind of art and also responsible for the billing, stock maintaining, and also their working area clean and sanitize. A duty and responsibility of barista is a uh, welcoming guest, ask order and billing, stock maintaining, and hygiene, grooming, also politeness, friendly behavior,